Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivy. In this video, I will show you how you can make simple bracelets using beads. Let's get started. So, as you can see, it's very easy and beginner friendly. You do not need any experience or whatsoever. All the materials I have used to make this bead, you can find them in the market near you if you live in Ghana. They are locally available. Otherwise, if you're watching from any other part of the world, you can check in the markets around you or else go on Google and search. There should be information available on where to get them. You can make these beads for yourself or you can sell them to earn income. As for me, I make them and sell, as you can see in the video. This is on Sunday. I sell them after church service. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.